When you first saw Halo, were you blinded by its majesty?
Putting aside our sorrow, we renewed our faith in the prophecy that other rings would be found, and see how our faith has been rewarded.
Halo, its divine wind will rush through the stars, propelling all who are worthy along the path to salvation.
Our path is clear, our entry into the divine beyond guaranteed. The great journey is nigh.
I shall light this holy ring, release its cleansing flame, and burn a path into the divine beyond!
Faithful, stand firm. Though our enemies crowd around us, we tread the blessed path.
Salvation for all.
Cowering in the dirt, thinking, what, I wonder, that you might escape the coming fire? The moment of salvation is at hand. My feet tread the path. I shall become a god. Nothing more. No! I am truth! The voice of the Covenant!
So, you must be silenced.
Ah!